Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find MoneyGram pickup locations. Finding MoneyGram pickup locations is super helpful. Here's why it's worth knowing. First, convenience. MoneyGram has thousands of locations worldwide, so you're likely to find one near your home or work. No long trips needed. Secondly, it's fast and reliable. Once the sender completes a transfer, you can pick up cash within minutes, making it perfect for urgent situations. Third, accessibility. Many locations are inside grocery stores, pharmacies, and retail shops, so you can pick up money while running errands, and it's also secure. You'll need valid ID and a reference number, ensuring only the right person gets the cash. Lastly, it's great for international use. Whether you're traveling or helping family abroad, MoneyGram's global reach makes receiving funds quick and stress-free. So wherever you are, MoneyGram pickup locations make getting cash easy, fast, and safe. But how to find the locations? First of all you have to do is open the MoneyGram app on your phone. Once the app has been opened, you have to click on the send, which is on the bottom. Click on send, and you'll see this screen. Now what you have to do is click on the payment method and click on cash at location. And then you have to give your permission of your location. And then you'll be able to see a map on your screen. All you have to do is zoom into the map and see which location is near your place. You will be able to see multiple locations. You have to select that specific location which is near your location. And that's basically how you can find MoneyGram pickup locations. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.